Hi there. Ever thought your kitchen herbs could make you money? Well, they can, Punje. In this video, I'll show you how to start a small herb garden that not only grows fresh flavor, but grows your income too. Let's dive in. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to FarmSmart for weekly tips on profitable gardening, farming hacks, and smart ways to turn your backyard into a cash garden. So why herbs? They're compact, fast-growing, in high demand, and they don't require huge investments. Whether you're growing in pots on your balcony or a small patch of land, herbs are one of the best entry points into profitable farming. Let's look at 5 high-value herbs. First, basil, fast-growing, sells well fresh or dried, essential for restaurants, pizzas, and pesto. Second, mint, grows aggressively, used in tea, desserts, skincare, great for subscription boxes. 3, parsley, grows well indoors and out, popular in both fresh and dried form. 4, chives, hardy and easy to grow year-round, used in seasoning and garnish. 5, rosemary is high demand in cooking and cosmetics, great fragrance and long shelf life. Let's walk through how to set up your herb garden. Step 1, pick your location. A sunny windowsill, patio, or balcony. Needs at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Step 2, choose containers. Use pots with drainage holes. You can even use recycled containers. Step 3, use the right soil, a well-draining potting mix. Avoid heavy garden soil in containers. Step 4, water smartly. Herbs don't like soggy soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Step 5, harvest regularly. The more you trim, the more they grow. Pinch from the top to encourage bushier growth. Don't overwater. Most herbs prefer slightly dry soil. Avoid overcrowding, give each herb enough space. Rotate pots every few days for even light. Label your herbs. They can look similar when young. Once your herbs are thriving, here's how to monetize. First, farmers markets. Sell fresh bundles, potted herbs, or herb-infused oils. Second, restaurants. Offer weekly delivery of fresh herbs. Third, online sales. Sell dried herbs, teas, or even seedling kits. Fourth, subscription boxes. Curate monthly boxes of fresh herbs plus recipes. 5, local grocery stores. Package herbs in clear bags or clamshells for retail. Let's talk money. With just 20 square feet, you can grow hundreds of dollars worth of herbs every few weeks. A small-scale herb garden can generate $500 to $1,000 per month, especially if you diversify and market well. Want to go bigger? Expand to vertical gardens, invest in grow lights, add new herbs like thyme, sage, oregano. Build your own herb brand over time. Utro 10 horas. So what are you waiting for? Turn your green thumb into green cash. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what herbs you'd love to grow. Catch you in the next one here on FarmSmart.